possessed? What are you doing? Are you protecting your house?
You are weird.
Are you dancing?
What happened to you, Mimi bird?
Are you dancing?
Mimi, that's weird. That's scary, Mimi. Are you trying to be a scary ghost? Look at
Sammi,
her.
what is Mimi doing?
Sammy's gonna start pitching her if she's doing that. Mimi, are you playing?
Are you dance?
Looks like she's doing magic or something.
Are you dancing? Is Mimi dancing? Are you dancing? Yeah? Look. She's dancing. She's copying me. Move your neck. Dance.
Mimi, I don't think you had enough sleep. You're weird.
Dance, Mimi bird. Dance. Are you a snake? What are you doing? Yeah?
Sammy's gonna put some sense into her in a minute.
What are you doing?
What's wrong with Mimi, Sammi?
Oh, Sammy's, gonna bite her. He's like, stop it, you weirdo.
Sammi doesn't like all that weird stuff.
Sammy's always telling her to stop whatever she's always doing. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you, Mimi. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Where's my Mimi bird? Oh, Sammy's gonna get me.
Sammi got her.
One, 2, 3. 3. Ready?
What's wrong?
1, 2, 3. 3. Get you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 3. Get you. She likes it.
Silly bird.
Aww. No screeching. Say it, Suri. Say Mimi. No screeching. Say it, Suri. Say Mimi. No screeching. Say Mimi. No screeching.
No screeching.
No screeching, Mimi bird. Can you say it, Suri?
Screeching.
Okay. Everyone's being little monkeys. Rocky's being a monkey.
Screeching.
Hello, baby bird. Hello, Rocky bird.